You've probably seen many movie explanation channels on YouTube. Movie explanation shorts are a niche that always stays in trend, with creators earning a lot of money from it. The great thing is that these creators don't do anything too complicated in their videos. Now let's check out Social Blade to see the earnings of one of these channels. As you can see, this channel makes $878,000 monthly and $10.5 million yearly in this video. I will teach you step by step how to create movie explanation shorts in just a few easy steps. Now I'll show you a preview of the type of video we are going to create. It was a fierce battle, but winter soldiers, as you saw, we are going to create a movie explanation video like this. Make sure to watch this video until the end. If you miss any steps, you might face copyright issues or problems with monetization. Therefore, I recommend you watch this video until the end to clear all your doubts. Without further ado, let's dive in first. We need movie clips for this. We will use a Chinese website. We have several Chinese website options like XA Gong Shu or Q Show, but for this video we will use the Duan website, which is the Chinese version of TikTok. There are a lot of movie clips on this website. If these websites are not working in your region, you can use a VPN. Once you are on the site, the interface will look like this. To get the movie clips, type the name of the movie in the search bar. But as you can see, this is a Chinese website, so you might be confused about how to type if you don't know Chinese. Don't worry, because we will use an English to Chinese translation for this. I will use ChatGPT. After opening ChatGPT, type the movie explanation video you want to search for translation first. Turn this text into Chinese, then type the name of the movie for which you want an explanation video. For example, if I want a Batman movie explanation video, I will type the Iron Man movie explanation, and in a few seconds ChatGPT will translate the text into Chinese. Copy the text and paste it into the search bar of the Chinese website, then hit search. As you can see, this website has provided us with the movie explanation videos. Now you can download any video you like. I will browse through the videos and then we will download one. Once you have selected a video to download, copy the video link, then go to Chrome and search for Duan Video Downloader. Click on the first link that appears after the website, open space your video link and click on download to download your video. Now we need to translate the downloaded video into English, but before we move forward, I want to let you know that many of you have been trying to contact me for sponsorships or business inquiries. I have added my email in the video description below so you can easily contact me. Now let's continue to translate the Chinese video into English or any other language. We will use 11 labs, which I will link in the video description. Once you are on the site, the interface will look like this. Select the dubbing studio, click on create new dub and choose the actual language of your video as the source language. In this case, my video is in Chinese, so I will select Chinese, then select the language you want for the voiceover as the target language. I want the voiceover in English, so I will select English. After importing your file into 11 labs, click on create dub. Now our video is processing and you need to wait a few seconds. Once the processing is complete, simply click here to download your video. Next, go to CapCut and import your downloaded video. As you can see, there is a lot of Chinese text in our video. To remove this, select the aspect ratio of 16 to 9 and increase the size, then export your video. Afterward, open the exported video. Again in CapCut, bring the video to the timeline and change the aspect ratio to ratio 16. As you can see, the Chinese text has been removed. Now we will add captions to the video. Click on text, then click on auto captions and select English, then click on generate. Our captions have been generated. You can change the font size or color to your preference. Now we need to remove the background music from the video to avoid copyright. We will use a tool called vocal remove. This tool will separate the background music from the video. First, export your video and tick the video option and tick audio only, because we only need the audio for now. You need to export your audio as an MP3 file. Open your browser and search for vocal remover. Add your audio. The website will take a few seconds to separate the vocal, background music and other elements. After a few seconds, you will see an interface like this. Simply download only the vocals. Import your vocal track into the timeline. After importing the file, click on the video and extract the audio. Delete the extracted audio and export your video. You can now upload your video to YouTube and you can easily get millions of views and monetize your channel. If you like the video, kindly subscribe to the channel Digital AI Dollars to see more interesting content like this. If you want to know how to create a lo-fi song without copyright or all trending topics are this playlist, click here. Watch the complete playlist. I will meet you